Well, if she wants to be like that, I cannot agree to anything. If she can't even apologize when I'm trying to help her out because she's a mother and she can't even apologize, she'd rather take the $100. Forget that. Sock it to her. She assaulted me. I wanted to go to trial. Let's do it that way. Let them see the recording of what she did.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
All right, this is case 25-0075, Taylor versus Mariah Curry. And this is the date scheduled for pretrial conference.
Morning, Your Honor. James Gazecki on behalf of Ms. Curry. Ms. Curry is going to enter a plea to the reduced charge of disturbing the peace with the requirement of taking a anger management class. There's no restitution. And that's it.
All right. Hi, your name, ma'am?
Mariah Curry.
All right. Do you understand the plea agreement?
Yes, I do.
Is that the agreement you'd like the court to accept?
Yes.
All right. And we have the victim here too. Is that Kara Johnson? Hi. You're muted.
No, Judge Jeffrey Day is the victim.
Who's the victim?
Jeffrey Day.
Oh, okay. I've got the wrong person, so. Jeffrey Day, is he there? Oh, you're Jeffrey Day.
He's just muted.
And you're the victim?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
I can, Mr. Day.
All right.
Yes. All right, so, yeah, well, I'm gonna take the plea and then I'll ask you for your comments and statements and get your opinion on this. So, yeah, so has anyone forced you into this plea agreement to plead to the amended charge of disturbing the peace and dismiss the assault and battery, Ms. Curry?
No.
Is this your own decision then?
Yes, but I was told something completely different before this court date. But I don't want to take it to trial, and I'm trying to keep the assault off of my name, considering that I do have a 5-year-old and I'm in school for nursing.
All right, so you agree to this plea agreement?
Yes.
And yeah, has anyone forced you into it or promised anything different?
Yes, I was told something different my last court date.
All right, how about today though? You understand the plea agreement for today?
Yes.
Is that an agreement you want to accept or no?
I just want to make sure that there won't be an assault charge on my name because I am in school and I'm not trying to affect anything that's going to affect my life or my child.
So the assault and battery charge is to be dismissed if you plead guilty to disturbing the peace is the plea agreement.
Okay.
All right, so yeah, you'll be subject to fines of up to $500, 90 days of jail plus court costs. And it doesn't appear there's restitution, but we'll find out about that in a moment. You understand?
So I'm paying $500 or 90 days?
Oh, so let me rephrase that. These are the maximum penalties. $500 of fines, 90 days of jail plus court costs are the maximum penalties.
Okay.
You give up rights when you plead guilty, you're giving up your right to have a trial by judge or jury. Do you understand that, right?
Yes.
And do you give up that right?
Yes.
And you'll give up all the rights listed on the advice of rights form I'm showing you. Did you have an opportunity to read one of these or have it read to you?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
And do you give up those rights?
Yes.
How do you plead to the added charge of disturbing the peace?
Guilty.
All right, Mr. Gazicki, do you want to voir dire a question for a factual basis, Ms. Curry?
Your Honor, I don't have the dates and times in front of me right now.
All right.
So I'll turn the file into the court.
All right, well, I'll proceed then. On November 5th, 2024, were you in the city of Taylor?
Yes.
All right, did you get into some sort of, where were you located specifically?
I was at the Wendy's on Ecourse and Monroe Street.
The Wendy's on Ecourse, and that's in the city of Taylor?
Yes.
Were you a customer or were you working there?
I was working there. I was the general manager at that time. And the defendant came into the store. He was irate.
You are the defendant.
I mean, I'm sorry, the victim.
The victim.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
He came into the store.
Here, let me just go back a little further. You're pleading guilty to disturbing the peace. You understand?
Yes.
Did you? All right. So you're at the Wendy's store in the city of Taylor on
November 5th.
On November 5th, 2024, and you're the general manager.
Yes.
And did you somehow disturb the peace while you were at that Wendy's store in the city of Taylor on November 5th, or did you commit an assault and battery?
In my opinion, I didn't disturb the peace because the victim came in irate and yelling, and I tried.
Can I stop you a moment? Let me just stop you just for a moment. I'm not telling you were disturbing the peace or committed an assault and battery, and you don't have to plead guilty to either of those things. But my job, and one of the things I have to make sure of, is that if someone is pleading guilty to a crime, that they're telling me that they committed a crime. If you do not feel as if you committed an assault and battery or you committed disturbing the peace, you shouldn't be pleading guilty. But you cannot have it. Can I just stop you? I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm trying to explain. You cannot have it both ways. You cannot plead guilty to disturbing the peace and say you're not guilty of it. I won't do that, and I can't do that by law.
Yes,
so
I understand that.
I have to make a decision here. Either you're pleading guilty and you have to explain to me how somehow you may have committed a disturbing the peace or an assault, or continue, or let me just finish without interruption, or continue to a trial. It's up to you. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm not trying to tell you to plead guilty to disturbing the peace. I'm only explaining to you that if you intend to plead guilty to disturbing the peace, you have to tell me words and acts that would support that you were disturbing the peace. Do you follow what I'm saying?
Yes, I
You cannot
understand.
go both ways. You can't say, I didn't do anything wrong, I didn't disturb the peace, but still I want to plead guilty. That's not something I can do, and the law won't allow me to do it.
Okay.
So go. Did you want to continue with the plea?
Yes, I want to continue with the plea.
All right, well, tell me how you disturbed the peace that day.
I asked him for the food back. He tossed it into my face, and after that situation,
Your Honor, there's a video for this.
There's video.
I'm the prosecutor. I apologize for interrupting. I just came in. There's a video of this.
Watch it.
And I know Mr. Day's version of events and that I've seen on video. That he did not throw anything in her face, and I'm not going to allow this.
Yeah, and thank you, sir.
That's all right, Mr. Day.
All right, here's the deal, Ms. Curry. This isn't a trial. This is a plea. I'm not trying to tell you what to do or what to say, but there's clearly disputed facts here. I'm not going to accept the plea. We'll just continue it. We'll set it for a trial date. I think maybe that's the best way to go under the circumstances. You're entitled to a trial by judge or a trial by jury. It's your decision, but you can't plead guilty and tell me that you did nothing wrong or it was the other person's fault. And maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. I don't know. You're presumed innocent unless you're proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, and you're entitled to a trial either by judge or jury.
I'm sorry, I just didn't know how to explain it to you. That's all.
No, that's fine. I'm not. You don't have to apologize, but I can't accept the plea if you didn't disturb the peace. It's that simple. And no one's trying to pressure you into anything. I'm just trying to. I need to follow the law, and if you didn't do anything wrong, then I'm not going to accept the plea.
Well, yes, I did do something wrong by I just don't know how to explain it to you. I really don't know how to explain to you.
I
This
can
was-
explain.
All right, well, let me ask some other questions, and no one seems to be, I don't know what happened. I haven't seen any videos. I haven't read the police report. I really don't know what happened, and I'm not, Mr. Day, I know you want to speak, but you're not involved in this. You will be shortly. You're the victim, but I don't want a trial going on or a mini trial.
Well,
Right?
neither do I. Neither do I. I think that she should, if she was smart, she would admit responsibility.
All right, well, thanks for that.
I don't want I don't want her to get, to be in trouble or anything like that. And it would be easiest for her to do it, because if you did watch the video, you would probably agree that she should.
Oh, okay, but I haven't, and we're not at that point, so.
I don't want to.
All right, all
Yes,
right.
and I
So
do say I was wrong for what I did, and I do want to
well,
say that
what was wrong about what you did? What did you do? I mean, did
me
you
going
yell?
outside.
Did you throw something? Did you
Yes,
kick, punch, or do something to Mr. Day that would have been considered unlawful?
yes, I repeatedly punched Mr. Day when I went outside. So yes, I am wrong for that, and that's why I will plead guilty to disturbing the peace.
All right, are you satisfied, Mr. Kazicki? You've been awful quiet during this process.
Sure.
You satisfied?
Yes.
I'm
Okay.
satisfied as well, Your Honor.
All right, so I accept the guilty plea then based on that statement to disturbing the peace. And did you want a pre-sentence investigation, Mr. Greco, Mr. Kazicki, or do you want me to try to go ahead with sentencing
Well,
here today?
I think we've recommended 771.1 for a period of time, Your Honor, and I'm good with that. But I think
No, that's not, I don't see that written down. Is that something that you
We have
are?
a 771.1.
Oh, that was the
We'll take
agreement?
it. We'll take it.
yeah.
That wasn't, that's not on the plea agreement form.
We'll take it, Your Honor.
Yeah. No, it's 771.1 I have on my sheet, Jim, I think. And
Okay, on our communication, I didn't see that, but we'll more than happily take that.
What is that?
And I'll explain that to you after we're done. And what it does is after a year, automatically off your record.
Okay.
And
Okay,
Your
that's
Honor, I
what that
believe
is.
that, yeah, and just one more, I apologize, Your Honor, but, and as part of the plea, I think she meets one time with the probation department, and we're recommending an evaluation for anger management,
Okay.
up to probation.
So what are you saying? Sentence now, refer to probation and consider for an evaluation for anger management?
Yeah,
Or,
yeah, to 771.1, 12 months. I think, Jim, right, they meet with probation the first time, I think. Is there an initial meeting with probation?
Right, we had, in our discussion, I thought it was a anger management class, not the whole management thing.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, she has to meet one time with probation, yes.
I don't agree to that.
all right, so
Come in,
yeah, I
get the
accept
files.
pardon?
I-
All right, I can take your statement at this time, Mr. Day, if you'd like to.
Sure.
Are you asking for any restitution or anything, money damage?
Yeah, how Your Honor? I'm the victim in this case. I don't even know where to begin. First of all, what is 77.1?
So that's a delayed sentence where basically it's you're placed on probation and some sort of supervision for a period of time. And if there's compliance with that probation and the terms of the sentence, then the case is generally dismissed after the completion of that probationary period.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so I want to explain how serious this assault was for me. Before and during the attack, the defendant directed hateful slurs at me, which made the assault not only physical, but also very degrading and traumatic. As a result of the incident, I have ongoing medical issues. I had to see an eye doctor. I even had to have a CAT scan done because now I see white lights out of the corner of my left eye. I suffer from headaches. My phone was broken during the assault. I understand that she does not want a felony on her record, but what matters to me is that she takes those responsibilities and get the help that she clearly needs. If she truly wants to go into a professional like nursing, she needs to demonstrate self-control and respect for others. I think angry management, more than one day class, should be the case. One class is not gonna help. It's not gonna do anything for her. Yeah, that's all I got to say. And I'm not asking for her to pay for any of my doctor's stuff. I just want a new phone. I just bought the phone the day before she broke it. And
You just want her to do what?
I just want her to pay for the repair of my phone, the screen, the repair of that. I don't want
Mr. Day, I told the defense attorney you said you didn't want that.
I told you, no, I said I did not want her to pay for my phone. I told you I did not want her to pay for my CT scan, which is in the thousands. I did not want her to pay for my eye doctor. I did not want her to pay for the specialist that I'm going to have to go to. Only thing I wanted was her to pay the $100 for the screen. That's what I agreed to.
You never said that to me. I apologize, but it's
I
okay.
have the recording.
Mr. Day, it's okay. It's okay.
Would you like to see it? I can rewind and show it to you if you'd like. I can send it to the judge. That's what I agreed.
It's fine. It's fine.
Because I do have the recording. She feels that she's done nothing wrong, which is crazy. I didn't throw anything at her. If you watch the video, I handed her the food and she decided that she was gonna, as soon as I handed her the food, she grabbed the pop and it spilled all over us, and she decided that she was gonna punch me in the head like 3 or 4 times inside and then a couple times outside. And then I had another employee try to jump me while the manager sat there and watched. And I think more than one class of angry management would be fair. Considering that I don't want her to give me paid $5,000, if not more, for all my medical bills. I'm not asking for that. I just want my phone fixed because that's the only thing that I'm really concerned about. Well, I'm concerned about the light in my left eye and my headaches, but I just want my phone fixed. And that's like $100 or something like that. If that, I don't know how much it costs to fix a screen anymore.
All right, so she can
pay that every time. She can give me $5 a month. That's fine, as long as she pays for my phone.
All right.
She can give me $1 a month. It's not about that. It's about.
All right. Can I hear you, Mr. Day? But let me just verify, Mr. Gazicki, Ms. Curry. I don't know if that's because the agreement was no restitution. Now it's $100. So
she can give me a quarter a month. I don't care, as long as she gives me.
All right. Thanks, Mr. Day. Let me just try to identify whether or not that can be part of the agreement or not. Thank you.
Yeah, I'd have to speak to Ms. Curry on this, and Mr. Gregg also can read that.
All right, so you can go into a breakout room on it.
Even a penny a month. I don't care. Even a penny a month. I don't care, as long as she gives me something.
All right, thank you. All right, so this is recalling Mariah Curry, case number 25-0075. So, Mr. Gazicki.
James Gazicki on behalf of Ms. Curry. We've had discussions. She's agreed to the $100 restitution. All she's requesting is a payment plan because she is a student right now, and she does have children that she's supporting.
All right. Well, thank you. So, do you understand that revised agreement, Ms. Curry?
Yes.
All right. And is that acceptable to you?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Day, do you understand that revised agreement that you'd be pleading guilty to disturbing the peace under 771.1 for a period of time and refer to probation for anger management as directed, allow payment of $50 a month? Well,
she can do less than that. She's a mother. I don't care. I told you, she can give me a penny a month. I don't, it's just, I want her to pay for it. So.
All right, so she'd be paying restitution of $100 to you. Is that all acceptable to you as a victim, Mr. Day?
Yes.
Is there anything else you want to add this time?
No, I'm good.
Okay. All right, so
I think she owes me an apology, though, besides that. But
Mr. Gazicki, anything else you want to add?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Curry, before sentencing, anything else you'd like to say?
No, Your Honor.
So, yeah, I have accepted the guilty plea, finding it's been made knowingly, voluntarily, understandingly, and accurately under 771.1. And so you're going to be on probation, Ms. Curry, then for a period of 6 months.
thought it was a year.
During that time, you're not to violate laws or ordinances, come to court into probation when required, advise the court of changes of address or telephone number, no contact, direct or indirect, with Mr. Day, no referencing him on Facebook or any other social media.
Okay.
Fines and costs of $350 plus a $100 restitution to Jeffrey Day.
Your Honor, I didn't know that you're going to sack her with $350 in court fees. Forget my $100.
You want to waive the $100, Mr.?
Yeah, she's a mother and she's trying to go to school, which I doubt she is, but she is a mother, and I don't want to forget the $100 if you're going to sack her with $350 in court fees. But I want an apology.
Well, I can't guarantee that.
But then I can't. Then I won't waive the $100. So is either an apology is worth $100 to her or not?
It's $100, Your Honor.
All right.
Well, if she wants to be like that, I cannot agree to anything.
You know, Mr. Day.
No, that's craziness. Craziness. If she can't even apologize when I'm trying to help her out because she's a mother and she can't even apologize, she'd rather take the $100. Forget that. Sock it to her. I wanted to go to trial. Let's do it that way. Let them see the recording of what she did. She assaulted me. I didn't attack her. I didn't throw anything. She's an angry woman. And no, I don't agree to anything if that's the way she wants to be. If she doesn't want to apologize, a simple apology, no. Then she wants to be some shit. No. Apology or I don't agree to anything. I don't agree to 77.1. First of all, he didn't say 6 months. He said a year. Now it's 6 months from the start since I've been on here since 8:30 in the morning.
You've been what?
Everything that they say one thing and they do another. It's the craziest thing. And she can't apologize like I feel I deserve. And I'm trying to be nice enough to get, because she's a mother, and waive the $100 because you guys are sacking $350 to her, and she can't even apologize. She says, I'd rather pay the $100. No, then I'd rather her get assault and battery if that's the way she wants to be. So it's assault and battery or nothing.
Your Honor, if I may interject, I know the state law allows the victim to have an input, but the court is not bound by that. We have an agreement with the prosecutor's office. We're asking.
Yeah, we had an agreement before she got. No. I don't agree.
Mr. Day,
I have no recording. I don't agree to anything.
Mr. Day, I'm going to let you speak to the prosecutor. Ultimately, it's up to the prosecutor. Can I just finish? Let me just finish without interruption, Mr. Day. because only one person, you can only record one voice at a time. So I'm going to have you talk to Mr. Greco. Mr. Greco has the ultimate decision on how he wants to proceed with the case. But I
have money, and I will make sure that goes to court.
Tell Mr. I'll put you and Mr. Greco in a breakout room, and you can express to Mr. Greco your concerns and whether or not you are agreeing or objecting to whatever the
Sorry to make this
proposed.
difficult for you, but all I asked for was an apology, and she can't give me that. Then
No, you're getting a plea, Mr. Day. She's
No.
pled, Your Honor.
I don't agree to it. She can. I say that since you guys are. Yeah, did you hear the whole thing? All I want was an apology. I will drop the $100 for my phone, and because you guys are giving her $350 in fine, I decided I would be a nice guy about it. She can't apologize. She says, "No, I'd rather pay the $100." She's obviously angry, and she needs. I don't agree to nothing. I want it to go to court by jury. So he's gonna apologize and go against what I'm requesting. Then
Your Honor, has there already been a plea?
We'll take this to court.
No, I haven't
I
accepted
will sue her.
plea yet. No, there's not an acceptable plea at this point. There's just too much confusion and miscommunication.
I'm not confused. Let's be clear.
I'm not accusing you. I'm just saying in general, Mr. Day.
Jim, do you want to meet me in a room?
As I indicated, the prosecutor made a valid offer.
I'm done.
We've accepted the offer.
I'm done.
If the victim could be quiet so I can address the court. Your Honor, an offer was made to the defendant. We accepted the terms of the offer that was conveyed to us. Then Mr. Day is going to start injecting other conditions. I don't think that's appropriate. The prosecutor made an offer, we accepted, and I think we should proceed as it was agreed to.
Well, but here's the thing, Mr. Gazicki, Mr. Greco, Ms. Curry, Mr. Day. The victim has a right to make a claim for restitution. He has claimed a lot more in various ways, somewhat vague, of eye injuries and MRIs and additional out-of-pocket costs. And he's entitled to pursue that. And that's a consideration, and the court would have to consider that if, as far as conduct a restitution hearing, require him to bring in evidence of all these costs, and then the court would have to consider that as part of the sentence. And so it's kind of hard to accept this plea with the prosecutor just, indicating the amount of restitution. I think the court has a duty to.
If I agree to apologize.
Your Honor, Ms. Curry, please. Your Honor, if I can address the court. All right. As I indicated, the defendant was willing to accept the offer as made. I think it's totally wrong for after we agree to accept an offer that the complainant in this case is going to come forward and put, since you accepted that, I want more conditions. That's inappropriate, Your Honor. We accepted the offer, the $100 restitution, the 771, the disturbing the peace, and I think the prosecution is really bound by that right now.
All right, but it's become complicated, and I think its restitution claims need to be given a hearing and an opportunity for a court to consider them before.
Mr. Day.
Your Honor, he already agreed to $100.
I mean, but there's changes, and I hear what you're saying, Mr. Gazicki. Certainly this case has gone back and forth on this issue a number of times, but ultimately, if the victim is agreeing to a certain amount of restitution, it's fine. But if the victim, changes his mind and says, before the court accepts.
I should apologize if I can just have this over with.
Yeah, Mr. Day, are you okay if Ms. Curry apologizes? Will you waive the $100?
Yes, if Ms. Curry wishes to do so, fine.
Do you want to apologize, Ms. Curry?
I just want this over with.
If you apologize, it looks like Mr. Day will give up any claim for restitution.
I do. I apologize for everything that happened, but I just want this over with.
Is that
thank
acceptable,
you.
Mr. Day?
I think she apologized, Your Honor.
Yep. All
That-
right,
that
so
acceptable?
Mr. Day, are you satisfied at this point, or where do we stand now with your position, Mr. Day?
You're on mute, Mr. Day. Are you,
No, yes, thank you for the apology. I'm good.
okay.
What does that mean? What does that specifically mean? That you're waiving the $100?
Yes, I will waive the $100. I won't take her to court. Everything, I'm all good. I'm satisfied with the
Very
apology.
good. The prosecution's satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. So you're satisfied, Mr. Gazicki?
We're satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, so yeah, we'll continue with accepting of the plea to disturbing the peace under 771.1, 6 months of probation. As indicated, no contact with Jeffrey Day, $350 fines and costs. Assessment through probation regarding anger management.
Restitution.
And, yeah, anything else, Mr. Greco?
No, Your Honor.
No restitution. All right, so you need to meet with probation. We're gonna do $50 a month. Starting, when can you start making those payments, Miss Curry?
I
Do
can
October, Your Honor.
October 1st.
All right. So yeah, you need to meet with probation and, you'll have to set up an appointment with the Taylor, District Court Probation Department. And then a review hearing in 6 months. Do you do review hearings here, Mr. Greco, to determine dismissals?
No, it gets scheduled for review administratively, and if there is no, further indications of any issues with Ms. Curry, I believe the matter just gets ultimately resolved at that time, without
All
her
right.
further appearance.
All right, you definitely need to meet with probation though, Ms. Curry, so contact the probation department.
Okay.
All right, anything else then, Mr. Gazicki, Mr. Greco, Mr. Day?
No, Your Honor.
Good, Your Honor.
Thank you
All
for
right,
listening to my what I
It's good luck to all of you.
Thank you.
We're good.
You're good, Mr. Day.
Have a great day, guys.
You too.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.